morning students. In this class I will be doing class 10 CBSE syllabus pair of linear equation in two variables. That is the third chapter. In my previous class I have completed exercise 3.4. First four sums I have completed. That is elimination and substitution method. Now we will see word problems in that exercise. Exercise 3.4. Form a pair of linear equation in the following problems and find their solution by the elimination method. So here this is given in word problem. We are asked to write that in the equation, then solve it by elimination method. So first question is, if we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, a fraction reduces to 1. Okay, it becomes 1 by 2. If we add 1 to the denominator, what is the fraction? This is the question given. So we will take the numerator of the fraction as x and the denominator of the fraction as y. Let the numerator of the fraction be x and denominator be y. Okay, so the first condition is, according to the first condition given, if we add 1 to the numerator, so x is the numerator, if we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1, so y is the denominator we have taken, and subtract 1 from the denominator, the fraction reduces to 1. So we will get a fraction as 1. So this is the first equation. Then second equation is, second condition given is, it becomes 1 by 2. So which one is 1 by 2? So x divided by y become 1 by 2 if we add 1 to the denominator. If we add 1 to the denominator. If we add 1 to the denominator, it becomes 1 by 2. So this is the second equation. So this has to be solved using elimination method. So the first equation, if we simplify it, we will get x plus y is equal to this y minus 1. When we are multiplying it by 1, it will be y minus 1. Okay, then for making it as an equation, I will bring this y to this side. So it will be x minus y is equal to minus 1 minus 1. So x minus y is equal to minus 2. So this is the first equation. So this x plus 1 by y minus 1 is equal to 1 becomes x minus y is equal to minus 2. Then the same way this side also. So we will cross multiply this 2 and x, it is 2x is equal to y plus 1. So this equation will becomes 2x minus y is equal to 1. So this is the second equation. So we are asked to solve this using elimination method. So first equation is x minus y is equal to minus 2 and second equation is 2x minus y is equal to 1. Okay, so here y value is same here, minus y and minus y. So both can be simplified by subtracting it. If we subtract, we have to write the opposite sign for that. Okay, so plus y minus y will get cancelled. Y is eliminated here. So we will get x value. So plus x minus 2x will be minus x is equal to minus 3. So x value becomes 3. So x is equal to 3. This is the x value. Now the same thing, same x value, that is this x value, we will be substituting it in the first equation. So first equation is x minus y is equal to minus 2. So x value, I got it as 3. So 3 minus y is equal to minus 2. Minus y is equal to minus 2 minus 3. So y value is equal to minus y is equal to minus 5. So y value I got it as 5. Okay. So what is the question given? What is the fraction? So I have taken the numerator and denominator as x and y. Therefore the fraction is the fraction is x by y, that is 3 by 5. So 3 by 5 is the answer for this sum. Next sum is 5 years ago Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. 10 years later Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. How old are Nuri and Sonu? So we'll take the present age of Nuri be x and Sonu be y years. So let the present age of Nuri be x years and Sonu be y years. Okay, so what is the first condition given? 5 years ago. So x minus 5 is equal to 5 years ago Nuri was thrice old as Sonu. So x minus 5 and y minus 5. This is 5 years ago. Nuri was, so Nuri is x minus 5 years, was thrice old as Sonu. Sonu is y minus 5. So 3 times of Sonu. So Nuri is 3 times of thrice old as Sonu. So if we simplify this, x minus 5 is equal to 3y minus 15. So x minus 3y is equal to minus 15 plus 5. So x minus 3y is equal to minus 10. So this is the first equation. Then second equation is 10 years later. So x plus 10 is equal to y plus 10. So this is Nuri, this is Sonu after 10 years. So 10 years later Nuri will be, so Nuri is x plus 10. So Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. So twice as old as Sonu. So this is the second condition. So this has to be simplified. So x plus 10 is equal to 2y plus 10. Okay. So 2y plus 20. So 2y plus 20. So x minus 2y is equal to 20 minus 10. So the equation will be x minus 2y is equal to 10. X minus 2y is equal to 10. Okay, so we got the first equation and second equation. So we are asked to find the value of x and y using elimination method. So first equation is x minus 3y is equal to minus 10, and second equation is x minus 2y is equal to 10. So here both the values we are having x. So if we subtract it, if we subtract both the equations, this x will get eliminated and y will be minus y is equal to minus 20. Okay, so minus 3 plus 2, unlike sign subtraction. So minus y is equal to 20. So y is equal to 20. This is the y value. Okay, so this y value we will substitute it in the first equation. So first equation is x minus 3y is equal to minus 10. So x minus 3 into 20 is equal to minus 10. So x is equal to minus 10 plus 3 2s are 6. So that is plus 60. So x value is 50. So we are asked to find the age of Nuri and Sonu. Nuri we have taken it as x. Sonu we have taken it as y. So therefore Nuri is 50 years and Sonu is 20 years. Sonu is 20 years old. Okay, understood? So with this, I am completing today's class. Whatever doubts you have, you message me in the comment box. Thank you.